Hi guys, welcome to the video. So today when I was scrolling my Twitter, I came across Taunt Battleworld. So Taunt Battleworld is an interesting concept. So as soon as we see their Twitter profile, there is a tagline which says UFC of Metaverse. So as soon as we read this tagline, the only thing comes to our mind is it has something to do with the UFC of real world where it's like fighting and then like somewhere related to UFC, WWE, WWF, which is in Metaverse. So this tagline gives us that idea. So coming ahead, okay, so they have 45.7k followers, which is not bad, and they're like okay, they're growing every day. Last time I saw it was 45.6, so this time it is 45.7. So they are growing, and they say our black magic collection is live on Magic Eden, so their NFT collection might be live. And then let's check their website. Okay, so this is their website. The website H1 tag of website says play, watch, fight. So that is something as we have come across earlier on their Twitter page, which says UFC of Metaverse. So it has something to do with the fighting, as you can see the banner here. And also we have to earn. So let us see how things are going to be. Outsiders are here. Now you can participate in Taunt Battleworld with use of your email alone. So I think you can use just your email and log in and just participate in this UFC of Metaverse. Moving still ahead, so they have defined their step of you guys participating in their event. So it's like step one, acquire one of a kind acolytic warrior. I'm sorry, acolytic warrior. So it is like you have to buy an NFT through blood money. Okay, so they'll have an NFT drop where you'll have to buy one NFT. Then you have to use that NFT to get into their games, and then you have to engage in their contest of maybe quiz or something, and then or maybe not quiz, or it might be related to some game or where you are doing some fighting and all using your character's power. So that is completely free, those prizes. So it is completely free in terms you have to buy the NFT, but participating in those game using your NFT is okay. You can participate as many as competition you want. Okay, scrolling bit down, we have 25k unique warriors. So they'll be having 25k unique warriors. You have to buy their NFT, then use that NFT to get into this realm, then fight, and then earn rewards. So there is quickening. You never know who may show up in the battle world or partner. So they have okay, AU21 Capital. So they are very one of the very reputed venture capitalists. So they are backed by good venture VCs. Coming to their white papers. Okay, Taunt Battleworld, your journey begins. And then Taunt Battleworld is the world's first engaged on NFT fighting game simulated by industries veteran from Amazon, EA, and Unity. So they seem a pretty good project. Reason being, first of all, they have been backed by some of good venture capitalists, and then they have this big name behind them. Okay, so it is something we have to look ahead. So according to me, this is going to be one of the very successful projects. So let's see what else it has. It has 25,000 of the best warriors in the universe have been summoned in the battle in a never-ending war. So it is a war related to some old god where you'll be fighting using your NFT. So first thing you have to do, you have to get that NFT, and as that Twitter account says, it is live on Magic Eden. So you can buy your NFT there, you can use it, and you can play and earn like prizes. And since they are backed by very good names, so that makes it a more important for us to look what they give us in the future. So thank you so much for watching this video. Consider subscribing.